October 9th, this is Dave Dispinet with the Stock Playbook, giving you a little snapshot of what we do on a nightly basis for our subscribers. Didn't do a video last couple days, just trying to see if you guys missed me. Maybe signed up for a free trial. All it takes an email address at www.thestockplaybook. Been a good day. Good couple of days, actually. But today, overall markets were down. A lot of people got beat up. We did okay. Dow Jones down 389 points, 3.2% increase in volume. NASDAQ down 105 points, 3.9%. Heavier volume, above average volume compared to the light volume as we were climbing higher. The S&P 500, the index we focused the most attention on, down almost 47 points, 3.7%, an increase in volume, although still below average. It's all about Europe. It's still about Europe. Just now we're not focusing on Greece as much as Italy. Italy, their bond yields up over 7%, got as high as 7.4%, I think, at one point today. You know, this is, we've talked about it, we've highlighted it, we've discussed it. We are in a spot where this, we wouldn't be, just last night we were telling our subscribers, wouldn't be surprised to see us rip up 100 points or down 100 points. A day later, we got our answer. This is a crazy market, a lot of headline risk. It is not, and it will not, for some time, become a market where you invest in. You got to trade. You get long, you make some money. You get short, you make some money. You get long, you get stopped out. You take small, manageable losses. But sit in cash, a lot of cash. Or play these trades up and down with the E-minis, which is a perfect tool. If you can't handle those, SPXU. We highlight this 2 nights in a row for our subscribers coming in to yesterday, not last night into today because you couldn't have caught this move. We talked about it here. Stock closed at $13.91 that day. We said tomorrow you could buy it, tomorrow being yesterday. You could buy it, you put a stop at 13 and change, see if you catch a move. Well, you got better than 10% today in a day. That's how you trade the markets. While most people's 401ks and accounts took hits 3-4% today, we made 10% in a day. And that's not what SPXU. That was with trading the S&P E-minis. We had some, to the downside bets. But Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, a stock that we flagged when it fell under 100. We said this is a short opportunity. It came all the way down. I'm getting a lot of emails from people coming into the earnings report saying they're staying to the short side. Congratulations. I don't know if you can hear me clapping, but you hit a home run. Stock is currently trading down at $48 a share, down almost $20 in the aftermarket. It bottomed out at $45. So cover those shorts. I don't regret telling you take profits off because this thing could have just as easily been up 20 points. But $21 down in the aftermarket right now. Take that money, that short money, and run. Macrovision, formerly Macrovision, now Rovi Corp, came out with what people thought was a disappointing quarter. This company's got some nice, good long-term growth. This company develops the digital entertainment software used by consumers to update their entertainment data on their media libraries. For example, you have cable or satellite. You hit the guide button. It shows you everything that's on for the next week. Lets you tape it and all that kind of stuff. Rovi more than likely licenses the technology to your local cable operator. We did not take this hit. This is a stock we've loved for some time, but we weren't, long it. We got to sell off, close a huge volume, lower end of the range, let this thing base, but Rovi is a name you can look at some point in time as an investment. But I still believe you trade this market. ZAG coming out with earnings next week, pulling back into 200-day moving average, light volume. Take a look at some upside calls in ZAG. SodaStream, which we've talked about now for the better part of 2 weeks coming into their earnings. They beat it. The stock was up almost at 40 at one point today. In a down market, closed up $1.92. Hopefully you made some money there. Point is, we got a lot of stocks that we could trade. You can make money the long side, the short side. You want a short, you got Netflix, just had a nice lift. Apple, Baidu, Lulu, Deckers, Synaptics, Cena. So, develop a plan. And if this isn't enough to help you, sign up for a free trial of the Stock Playbook. We're making some money for our clients, and I think you'll be impressed with what we could do for you. Have a good night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.